In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this tissue add-on based abstract art. Let's create a sphere. In edit mode, right-click and type S to subdivide it twice like this. Shift Z to wireframe view, C to circle select, and let's select some random faces like this. Type 1 to vertex select, and Ctrl G to vertex group them. I'll add two separate materials, so I can easily select the selected faces later. Let's add a noise texture and displace modifier on the vertex group. Let's decimate them a bit. Please experiment with the settings to produce the best looking result. Let's separate the selected faces by typing P. This mesh looks good enough, but I'll use a tissue add-on to turn the selection into honeycombs. Select the honeycomb mesh, shift-select the vertex group faces, and use the tissue add-on like this. Let's solidify the tissue mesh, add new materials for both meshes, and we're done. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.